Hello guys, and today's a very exciting video as we're all in towers for 2 days. We're currently in the Spinball Wizard queue. I can't wait for this ride, let's go. Right then, hello ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to meet up with Charles in Forbidden Valley. Crumpetman's around 7 minutes away, it's 11 o'clock. So yeah, we're staying over in the hotel as well, so yeah, it should be good. And we were just heading on over to Wicker Man. We're going to go on Nemesis later with Mystical Toast, I think, and Charles for 123456. But we found this, which is very interesting. Look at this. What do you have to say about this Crumpet Boy?
I don't know. It's cool.
It's an old bear hole. Bears used to live in here. How cool's that? So, Wicker Man shut on us. So, now we're in the Spinball Wizard queue. And I am pretty scared because, well, this is bonkers. Oh gosh. I've never been on it before, so I'm a bit scared. I'm not scared. No. So, hopefully, this is good. And I will rate it after if it doesn't shut on us. I've just done Oblivion and Smile Up because Charles and Crumpetman are about fussed about them too, and yeah. I don't think, we're not sure how tall Crumpet Boy is, but hopefully he's tall enough and we can get some good rides. It's also BT and Crumpet Boy's birthday this weekend, so yeah, good.
So doing, they found what looked like some, I suppose you'd call them round, flat tin.
So guys, guess what? We think Spinball Wizard has broke down on us. It's just our luck. It's ridiculous, but we can't do anything. Hopefully it hasn't broke down. Hopefully we will be able to get on it.
We're going to have to wait outside our lodges for, at this point, for like...
oh, I think it started again. So,
false alarm.
it's just at the end. Something was going on.
Wouldn't move.
I mean, they might have to do some tests on it. Yeah, they might have to do some tests on it. Hopefully they don't. Good news, guys. It's working. We should be on it soon. I am a bit nervous, but I'm a bit excited.
I'm a bit nervous as well.
Yeah, I'm excited but nervous. But I wonder how good this is going to be because I've never been on it. So hopefully it's good. Hopefully I don't hurt myself.
Only Crumpet Dad, I think, has been on this.
Yeah. So guys, we have just been on Spinball Wizard and it was awesome. I'd recommend it. And I think we are just walking over to tap the towers because we are going to meet up with Mystical Toast, Burnt Toast and Charles at 123456.
And I'll be there!
But I wanna see how the Crumpet Boy here feels about Spinball Wizard. Was it worth it?
I would say like maybe take 10 minutes off the queue time, but it was fun, but it was just a bit rough.
Yeah. well, that's probably one of the main bits about it. But I will see you guys when we meet up with Mystical Toast and Charles 123456.
And Man Toast!
So guys, we are just walking up now. Look at these very big trees. Big trees. So, yeah, we're just going to meet Mystical Toast now. I'm not sure what we're going to do. They've just been on 13.
I think I'm going to go on it.
Yeah, I think we are going to go on 13 soon. But we'll see. Might not, we might.
But, Mr. Man.
Yeah, hopefully that's reopened. I mean, the Smile is reopened, so it should have. But I still can't get over how good Spinball was. It was amazing, actually. Very, very unexpected. Guys, we found someone.
You're autistic.
You can't be saying that.
Okay.
Look, it's Charles the 123456.
What's that?
Oh, so what are we going to do next? We want to get on 13.
Well, we've just done 13.
Wait a 40 minutes. The car park.
Yeah, so I'm not sure what we're going to do next. I'll get back to you when we find out. Well, guys, toxic waste challenge.
Waste challenge.
Right.
First one to have a reaction loses.
Well, I've already lost then, haven't I?
I dropped mine and the duck ate it.
R.I.P. the duck.
Oh, I think Crumpetboy'S dying. So I think Charles the 123456 has won it. How do you feel?
Very intense. Take the whole toxic waste can now.
Yeah.
It ain't even that
Toxic
It
waste.
ain't even that sour though, but it's just the taste I like.
Toxic waste. Toxic waste.
You heard it from them. Don't try this challenge. So guys, we are just going to 13. Crumpet Boy has never been on this. I don't think Crumpet Dad or Crumpet Mum has been on this either. So it's their first time, my second. It's going to be good. Let's go on this. No, we are going to that thing over there. 13. I can't wait. So guys, we've just been on 13, it was very good. It was Crumpetboy's first time, Crumpet Mum's first time and Crumpet Dad's first time. I think they all liked it, it was very fun. I think they'd do it again. I'd definitely do it again. I liked it more than when I done it the last time, but that don't matter. But I'm not sure what we're going to do next. I think Mr. Toast might be heading over to the Curse. But we will see, and I will see you all when I meet them again. Don't watch if you need the toilet. It's a well. No, it's not. It's a fountain. I think I'm a bit stupid. So guys, we are in the queue for Hex.
It's massive.
Yeah, it's a very underrated ride. I love it. I think it doesn't get enough attention, but basically tells you the story of Towers.
A good story.
Yeah. So I will see you all after we get off. I'm excited. Hopefully it's good.
Been chained up for 180 years. The open involvement, the marrying of things that you don't understand.
So guys, we have just gotten off of Hex, and now Crumpet Mum, Crumpet Dad, Auntie Crumpet and Uncle Crumpet are all going on Oblivion. I'm going to be looking after Crumpet Boy, and I'm not too fussed about Oblivion today. Might go on it tomorrow, but I don't really like it. I went on it before, but I had a bad experience. Didn't get stuck, I just had a bad experience. But me and Crumpet Boy are going to do something cool, and we're just walking past Smiler now. Look at this. It's crazy. 14 looper. 14.
Crumpet Man is taking ages on 13. He's just got off, so we're gonna just wait for him out. As on orders, man, I think. Yeah. And then we're gonna head over to Spinbrook Valley and Curse.
No. Not sure if it's the same. It is, it's the same.
Oh, that's the same crow that pooed on me.
There we go. There. It's the phantom crab.
Bugger off. Whoa, the sun's came out and it's beautiful here at Alton Towers. Absolutely beautiful. In the Nemesis Subterra queue line. Nemesis Subterra was really good. Toxicator looks like it's closed now, and Charlesbury 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 has gone to Nemesis, and so has Burnt Toast. So we're in the Curse queue, and we're going to. I think I'm going to go on by myself because I've always wanted to go on by myself, but I never actually got a chance to go on by myself. So I'm going to go on by myself because we're a group of 7 and there's 6 people allowed on it at a time. So I think I'm going to go on it by myself because I want to go on by myself, and I want to be all alone. I'm by myself. I'm by myself.
The adults have just finished Oblivion, and we have decided we're going to go on 13 for the second time today. I think Crumpetboy'S just loved it, and he's convinced everyone to go on it again. And then I think we will be going on the Curse at Alton Manor. That was a really good one. Last time I was here, very good. It was just a bit unusual because there's not many rides like it. So I will see you all in the 13 queue for the second time today. Just walking off now. Hope you appreciate my little bit of silence so you could watch that awesome clip of Rita. But just walking to 13 again. And who knows what's going to happen. Hopefully it's a shorter queue than last time. Felt pretty big, but I'm not sure. Doesn't really matter, we're going on it. No change in it. Welcome to Forbidden Valley, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to ride Nemesis. Gosh, I love this ride. Top class, perfect. So we are just going to go into the queue now. But look at this. Look at that, wow. I love this ride. So guys, just been on Nemesis and I have left the park now. We are heading over to the lodge. I can't wait, it's gonna be cool. I'm gonna give you a tour of the lodge. Hopefully you guys like it, and I'll see you soon.
Right, so Nemesis is 10 minutes. Crumpet Man's going back to his lodge. There's a bit of misorganisation there from me. But yeah, we're going to Nemesis. It's on a 10-minute queue. I ain't done it today yet, and I love it. I'm out of breath because I just ran some of the lights. But yeah, I'm excited. Let's go. Cool, blimey, that's a brilliant ride, Nemesis. We're going to do Nemesis again now. It's gone up to 15 minutes, not too bad. And if we got time after, we're going to do Galactica. It's on a 40-minute queue, but don't matter when you're having fun.
So guys, welcome to the Crumpet Lodge. So, in here is the double bed or whatever it is. And then, in here, oh, it's spooky. Crumpet Man's bed, Crumpet Boy's bed. And then, this is the bathroom. Look at this. Our lodge. It's pretty cool. I'm here. Yeah.
That was really good. Oh my God! Look at who we found. Oh, we found Charles. We found him. We found Charles.
I didn't.
Yeah. So anyway, how was your ride on with you?
It was very good. I think I actually need my pants on and it's good.
That was very good. I love Wicker Man. See you later.
You don't use the AU
Nemesis is a chunky boy.
So guys, just been on Nemesis and Mystical Toast and Burnt Toast are going. Goodbye.
Goodbye. See ya.
Yeah, see ya. No, you're staying.
Oh,
You're
yeah,
staying. You're staying with me.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I don't want to.
Yeah.
See ya.
Goodbye. Tallest ride in all of Alton Towers. Wow. Charles is going. Say bye, Charles.
Bye, my fellow friends.
So we're gonna go on Nemesis and walk with Charles to the exits. Yeah, we're going on Nemesis again, and then we're going to the curbs. Let's go. Yeah. So guys, I've just been on Nemesis. Waffle Dude and Crumpet Boy have gone to 13, so we're walking to them now. But I just proper greyed out on Nemesis, and it was crazy. I was like, but yeah, we're gonna go to 13. We might go to Church at Alton Manor, but I'm not sure. So I'll see you guys in a bit. So guys, just been on the curve. It's pretty fun actually. It's nice. It's a good little spook. Yeah, I'm not sure where we're gonna go next. We will. Are we going to 13?
I don't know where are they?
I think they're at 13, so I think we're gonna go to 13. Guys, look at this. This is amazing.
It's actually quite good.
All the different colours. This is great. So guys, Crumpet Mum and Crumpet Dad, they are going on Rita. And Crumpet Boy and Waffle Dude, they're still in the 13 queue. So I'm just going to sit around for a bit because I don't want to go Rita. It's just not my kind of ride. I'm sitting around for a bit, editing my video, going to entertain myself somehow. I'm not sure what I'm going to do next. I'll get back to you when I find out. If you guys have any video ideas, let me know in the comments. I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm sitting right underneath here is really cool.
You got a blade.
So guys, I'm going on to 13 with Crumpet Boy
Hello. Me and Waffle Dude have already been on it.
and Waffle Dude.
We're going on it. Me and Crumpet Boy are going on it the second time.
Yeah, so we're going on it. I'm excited. I haven't been on it today, but I've been on Nemesis twice and I've been on the Curse.
Andy grayed out on Nemesis.
I think they know that already. But yeah, we are. It's 13. It's went from a 50 minute to 30. So
When you grayed out, what did it like? Who wrote it? Like, when did you wake up?
well, I properly woke up near the very end of the ride,
Like when it was like turning into the break.
or just before the loop, or a bit after the loop. But yeah, I'll get back to you in
When
a
we're
bit.
near the station.
Yeah. So guys, we're about to enter the room thingy for 13. First time for me today. It's going to be good.
It's my second.
And mine.
Yeah, it's going to be good.
Mine.
Get out.
So guys, we've just been on 13. It's very good. I'm not sure what we're going to do next. I'll get back to you when I find out. But 13 was very exciting, even though I've already been on it a lot. Yeah, I'll get back to you when I find out what we're doing next. Thank you, Alton Towers. We have loved it. This is such a great park. So good. So sad to go. But yeah, if you guys want to do what I've done, come to Alton Towers. So guys, we are going to end today's video here. We have all loved it. We love Alton Towers. It's so fun. It was so good. I hope you guys liked this video. I've enjoyed my 2 days here, but I'm absolutely knackered. My feet are blowing up. But yeah guys, if you have liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, because I try to make good videos for you all. And I try to make videos that you'd all like. So don't forget to like and subscribe, because it helps on the road to 200 subs. But yeah, we are going to end today's video here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment if you want more videos like this. And I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.